Hello, pals. In today's story, we have Lulu, Milo, Tippy, and Nibs. What a beautiful day in the tree! Boing, boing. Tree spin time, baby. Boing, boing. It's too much.
Boy, you woke me up and I was dreaming about sandwiches.
Oops, were we loud?
You were very loud, like a lawnmower in a disco.
What's a disco? I think it's where the lights blink and the snacks are weird. We can try quiet fun.
It's a beautiful day in the tree.
It's a beautiful day for you and for me.
Boing,
It's a
boing,
beautiful
boing,
day
quiet
in the
boing.
tree. That's much better for you and for me.
If anyone yells again, I'm turning into a wombat.
The wombats snore only when they're dancing. I think I prefer the singing and the loud bouncing.
It's a beautiful day in the tree to be
Quiet, Charles. I've got to be quiet for my friends.
I like to see the bouncing